Learning about masculine and feminine in Portuguese language can be one of the most difficult things for native English speakers. That's because there are an infinite number of words to learn, and even foreigners who have been here for a long time in Brazil sometimes get confused. So, how do you know if a word is masculine or feminine? There's a rule that says if a word ends with A, then it is feminine. If it ends with O, it is masculine. For example, casa, feminino. Apartamento, masculino. So, the house equals a casa. The apartment equals o apartamento. So far, so good. It is easy, right? The problem is that there are many words that end neither with A nor with O, such as jovem, aluguel, and flor. Another problem is that there are exceptions. That is, words that end with A but are masculine and that end with O and are feminine. For example, the word mapa looks feminine but it is masculine. So you should say o mapa, not a mapa. The word mão looks masculine, but it is feminine. So the correct thing is to say a mão and not o mão. Let's learn now 10 masculine words and 10 feminine words in Portuguese. Palavras masculinas. O dia, o item, o jornal, o leite, o sal, o legume, o violão, o nariz, o sorriso, o bombom. Palavras femininas. A mulher, a cor, a origem, a informação, a paixão, a situação, a qualidade, a esperança, a atitude, a invasão. If you want to learn more masculine and feminine words in Portuguese, more examples of exceptions, and how to form sentences with these words, click the link in the description of this video and access an exclusive lesson with flashcards, PDFs, and exercise on the subject today. Até mais!